Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Biotech Multiverse. Today's our topic is all about recombinant DNA technology RDT. If you are new to this channel, please go right away and check the playlist of my channel. You have been find a lot of information from that playlist. I discuss the total process, the introduction, principle, the total process of recombinant DNA technology. Okay, let's get to the real point now. So students, you all will know about diabetes. Diabetes is a most common disease, right or not? In the whole world, more and more people have suffered diabetes. Is it right? Yes. What is the best treatment for diabetes patient? You know, the best treatment for diabetes patient is insulin. You all will hear this name, right? Insulin is like a shower of blessing for diabetes patient. So, in which way or how large amount of insulin are produced? So, my dear student, today's our fascinating topic is about production of insulin. About production of insulin. So, today's our topic is production of insulin. Let's start. First, we will discuss what is insulin, what is the role of insulin, how it helpful to the sugar patient. So, what is insulin? Insulin is a hormone. It is secreted from beta cell of islet of Langerhans of pancreas. So, what? Insulin is secreted from pancreas of our body. So, we all know pancreas is a mixocrine gland in which both exocrine and endocrine gland system are in pancreas. Both hormone and enzymes are secreted from pancreas. In which place of our body pancreas is present? The location of pancreas is in the upper abdomen and behind the stomach. It is present in the upper abdomen and slightly behind to the stomach. So, what is the role of insulin hormone in our body? The role of insulin hormone of our body is insulin help to control the blood glucose level. Control our blood glucose level in our body. It is the central regulator part of carbohydrates and also manage the fat metabolism in our body. So, how it helpful to the sugar patient? How this hormone helpful to the sugar patient? In their body, the amount of glucose is very high than the insulin level, and that time the sugar patient, the diabetic patient need insulin to regulate the blood glucose level. In human, the insulin gene is located on chromosome number 11. In the chromosome number 11 is specified for insulin gene. Now jump to the next. What is the chemical structure of insulin? The chemical structure of insulin is chemically, human insulin is small and simple protein. It is one type of protein. It is made up of 51 amino acids. We all know the arrangement of amino acids made protein, and the insulin protein is made up of 51 amino acid. They are arranged into a two polypeptide chains. One chain is A chain and another chain is B chain. From 51 amino acid, chain A having 21 amino acid and chain B having 30 amino acid. These two polypeptide chains, polypeptide chain A and B, are interconnected by the sulfide bridges, SS linkage bridges. By the help of sulfide bridge, the two polypeptide chain are interconnected and formed 51 amino acid of insulin protein. And this insulin hormone develops from a storage product called Proinsulin means from proinsulin a insulin is formed. Mature insulin is formed. What is proinsulin? Proinsulin has three chains: chain A, chain B and chain C. Chain A have 21 amino acid, chain B have 30 amino acid and chain C have 33 amino acid. In this proinsulin gene, A and B is the exons and C is the intron gene. The structure of intron is C chain. In presence of intron, insulin is in immature stage and that protein is called proinsulin. When that C chain is removed and formed free C peptide chain, and the proinsulin is converted into mature insulin, formed mature insulin like 51 amino acid A chain and B chain. It's all about the introduction part of insulin. Let's discuss the main part. Today's main part means the production part. Production of insulin. Let's previously means in 1922 to 1923, Benting and MacLeod prepared the insulin from animal pancreas. They extracted and purified insulin from dogs, pigs and bovines pancreas organ, but it carried with two difficulties. The first thing was, though the animal insulin was chemically similar to human insulin, there were some differences between animal and human beings. Means pig insulin have alanine amino acid and human insulin have threonine amino acid. This type of differences create some inflammation and allergy in many diabetic patients. And the another problem was, it was very difficult to obtain large amount of insulin in pure form, which was not sufficient for every diabetic patient, and it was very costly due to deficiency of insulin. Then in between 1977 to 1999, using recombinant DNA technology, RDT process, human insulin was discovered. In 1883, Eli Lilly, an American company, prepared two DNA sequences, both A and B chain of human insulin, and introduced that gene into the plasmid and make a recombinant DNA. And that recombinant DNA is transferred into the host cell like bacterial cell and yeast cell for rapid propagation of recombinant insulin. And this human insulin is called humulin. Insulin was produced by using recombinant DNA technology. In the third video, we already discussed the total process of recombinant DNA technology. Let's see the process of production of insulin using recombinant DNA technology. And listen students, this process is all about overall same. Please remember the steps of recombinant DNA technology. So what is the first step? First one is isolation of DNA. Human insulin gene is isolated from the human cell, and at that same time plasmid DNA was taken out from the bacterial cell. Then the next step is restriction endonuclease cut. Both human insulin DNA and that vector plasmid DNA were cut by the restriction enzyme using restriction endonuclease enzyme at specific sequence along with the chain. Right? Then the next step is ligation. Now the human DNA and plasmid DNA, that cut insulin DNA and that plasmid DNA was ligated by ligase enzyme and formed a recombinant DNA. Now this was the time for transformation. That recombinant DNA is introduced into the bacterium, into the host cell basically E. coli and yeast are used for production of insulin. Those bacterium are grown in a culture medium. Now the E. coli are grow in the culture medium Then those engineered bacteria multiply and producing insulin in the industries using large bioreactors. Then those insulin products are separated and purified to produce human insulin. In this diagram, the total all steps of production of insulin, how insulin was produced. I want to once again revise this total process with watching a video. See, this is a human insulin gene which was isolated. Now the restriction enzyme caught the gene in a specific sequence and formed sticky end. The restriction enzyme caught the DNA and formed sticky end. See how the restriction enzyme caught the DNA specific sequence of DNA and formed the sticky end. See, this is the isolated insulin gene. Now here the bacterial plasmid waiting the insulin gene, which is carry the foreign insulin gene and working as a vector. Ligase enzyme help to ligate the target insulin gene and bacterial plasmid and formed a recombinant plasmid or recombinant DNA. Now this recombinant DNA is transferred into the E. coli cell into the host cell for rapid propagation, for rapid division. See, there are a lot of bacterial cells are growing with take over the insulin gene. Now these insulin gene are purified and insulin are ready to inject in human body. Then they act as a normal insulin hormone in the diabetic patient body. They regulate the blood glucose level of the diabetic patient's body. Insulin hormone secreted from the patient's body and decrease their blood glucose level, regulate their blood glucose level and make their body's function overall normal condition. And listen students, previously I said that insulin have two chains, chain A and chain B, and this chain A and chain B both are produced separately using recombinant DNA technology. Both chain A and B are produced separately. Chain A have another plasmid vector, chain B have another vector, and these are extracted. Both A and B chain are interconnected by disulfide bond, combined by disulfide bond to form human insulin. This human insulin is called humulin, which is produced by recombinant DNA technology. So this is the total process of production of insulin. Thank you all for watching my video. Keep learning and happy learning. Have a nice day.